Hey guys, this is Abnu here, and in this video let's see how you can create your web homepage containing your personal profile using HTML. So it would look something like this after completion of everything. So to do that, firstly you need HTML code. I'll provide this code in the description. You need to edit this code a little bit that I'll show you now. And now you need to create .html extension file on your phone. So to do this, you can use your default file manager if it allows you to create new files, or if not so, you can use Mi Explorer, my personal favorite file manager. I'll provide the link for this app too in the description. I'll be using this app for the demonstration now. You need to simply click on this plus button here at the top and then choose file and give the file any name with .html extension. And then click OK. Now open this file using Mi Explorer's default text editor and paste the code which I have provided in the description here. And now you need to change some details like name, father name, date of birth, and if we talk about image file here, it should be in 1:1 ratio and in PNG format, and it should be in the same folder where this HTML file exists. And then you need to change some more details like your educational details here, and finally edit your skill set, and you're done. Click on this save button over the top right corner and come back. Simply open this file using Chrome application, and you can enter your address manually in the space provided here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.